Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Myself Dr. Akshay, and in today's session I'm going to be discussing about the topic oxygen demand theory for local blood flow control. If you guys want to learn more about the circulatory system, then click subscribe and the bell icon. So let's do this together. Coming to the topic oxygen demand theory for local blood flow control. This oxygen demand theory is also known as nutrient demand theory. This is because other than oxygen, other nutrients are involved in controlling the local blood flow. Oxygen is one of the most important nutrients which is responsible for vascular muscle contraction. Therefore, in the absence of oxygen, these blood vessels would relax and dilate. So, what are the role of other nutrients besides oxygen in controlling the local blood flow? Under special conditions, lack of glucose in perfusing blood can cause local tissue vasodilation. Vasodilation occurs in vitamin deficiency disease Berberi. In this disease Berberi, deficiency of vitamin B substances such as niacin, thiamine, and riboflavin occurs. In this disease Berberi, peripheral vascular blood flow increases 2 to 3 times almost everywhere in the body because almost all vitamins are needed for oxygen-induced phosphorylation reaction. And this oxygen-induced phosphorylation reaction is responsible for the production of ATP molecules. And these ATP molecules play a major role in muscle contraction. So, deficiency of these vitamins lead to diminished smooth muscle contraction and vasodilation as well. So, that covers the topic oxygen demand theory for local blood flow control. I hope you guys learned about this particular topic. Thank you so much guys. Love you all guys. See you guys in the next session.